Zer datu da orain? Bai zelotarekin. Nola gauzak esaten dituzten.
Getting them straight from the sewer these days.
You meant to be on our side?
Vale. Bueno, eta hiltzen dituzte.
Manufactorum HL1736 is heading towards a power systems failure, thanks to a bit of heretic sabotage. Our allies are screaming for the factory's battle tanks. So you're going to restore the coolant and hopefully save the day. Cryonic rods can flush the system. You'll find some in the control room. They're strictly for emergencies, but I reckon this qualifies, don't you?
I don't think my lungs were designed to operate in these temperatures.
Would you rather be cold? Be careful what you wish for.
Mechanicus zone! Structure's likely dangerous!
You're looking for a door release.
Bai, mekanikoen gauza guztiak.
So far, so good. Move on through the ventilation tunnels.
Soldiers fight wars, but you need places like this to make the weapons for us.
Shift yourselves. You gotta get to the control chamber and get the cryonic rods.
Triumph shall be ours in the beneficent Emperor's name!
Joder.
Close and kill! Reloading!
The workers sleep here, while their masters drowse on feather beds. Despicable.
No hope, no safety, only... Eat it! Keep going! Right on! Someone out!
A holy grenade!
Bleeding bombers gone!
You've reached the maintenance area. The production line's just up ahead.
What is deep?
All empty!
Estos son, todos son de Howard.
Ranger! And it's angry!
A ranger lies slain! Your fans will snap no more, hound!
Beds!
I need ammo! Ammo!
Grenade! Emperor! Guide my aim!
We'll face its fury! Fury does not have big commit. I need assistance!
You cannot hide from judgment, heretics!
Beware! Bomber!
Stupid, but efficient! Judgment is nigh!
You're bleeding out!
There is a redeemed slab!
Barry!
Cupra!
Let me alone, Rocky! Drop the file and... Almost there! Beast!
Mä sanoin kun äsken.
Help me, old lads!
Se Edward con Harry, no. Ai.
Walking corpse, that's you.
You're off to Sector Peripherus to crack an excise vault and get me a sample of the Heretic's latest contagion. There's a barely functional servitor colony that can get you a cipher ID. Then you can try for the vault itself. You can use the old pneumatic conveyor to get the samples out, then you can find your own exit.
Acordados de industries adaptos mecánicos.
Kill the gunner! Holy grenade! You cannot hide from judgment, sniper!
Cadian surprise coming in.
Engaging priority target!
This way!
Stop worrying about the hound! That barrel's gonna explode! Sighted in! Engaging!
Soon you will be a memory.
This place is a friggin' mess! Engaging precision fire! To the fucking grenade! Here she goes! down there. There'll be another way out. We go down here, we're not coming back. Grenade! Need!
A million worlds! All beneath the beneficent Emperor's glorious banner!
Galaxy is a big place! Makes you think!
Tidy affair. No one thought it could. What chance did the rest go?
They have us surrounded!
You can't exit Disturbia colony without moving the cargo elevator.
Good. Now stay focused, soldier.
Don't mess with the Emperor's hammer! Regulations E to 112!
Let this grenade obliterate our foe! Shut up! It's weaker in the back! It's right there!
Don't get up now!
A holy grenade!
Bring me!
That's enough!
On your feet, soldier! Fragging hell, need ammo! Engels! Ammunition! And about time!
A merciful strike! The burrow is going to explode! Retreat! So perish all who choose fury over faith!
Keep an eye open for grub, comrades! Anything's better than those rations Morrow doles out.
Be thankful for what you have. Beware! A hound!
Sighting him! That's the hound dead! Can't fight without ammo! Make for the stairs!
Grenade!
Eliminating primary target! Incoming! Masters burst! I'm reloading!
cargo elevator! Quickly, now! I must confess, I have questions regarding the diligence of our pilot.
I reckon we could do much worse. At least she's sober. I think.
She's the only pilot we got right now.
Need ammo, soldier!
Edes nog eens aan wordt de grande van mij.
This one's for Cadia. Might as well die fighting. It's inevitable anyway.
That's not the garden spirit! Never say die!
Templar! Ammunition!
Follow me!
You dare step where you should not!
Found this place!
Kill shot looking for a skull.
They're everywhere! Head hunting!
Agent's dead!
Cover me! Fire reload! Be shot!
That's the legend, eh?
Saltzman! No turning back now! See, pilgrims! Our righteousness has been rewarded!
Have a care, pilgrims! This place reeks of danger! I need but a little healing.
Systems operation function.
What sins did these lost souls commit? Condemn them so!
Should be enough servitors functioning for you to get the cipher ID to get to work.
Fight on for the Imperium.
Grenade out!
Aha! Bomber!
Flamer! Gun ready!
Headshot!
acceptable quality.
Bastion 220 engaged!
Reloading!
Process failure. Reapply. This time pay more attention.
Bridge is broken.
Systems green. Uplink resuming. As you were.
Get it working!
They judge you, traitor!
Aid me!
Rise, Guardian! We have need of your faith!
Thank you, Guardian.
The Omnissiah favors us. Resuming uplink.
Oh, we got a house! Can't miss, won't miss!
The interrogator has crashed. Start.
Die, heretics!
Majors are gone! Some noisy day!
Cover me!
Data link back online. You are not a complete failure. Well done, I suppose.
Bomber's heading!
My gratitude.
Purifying grenade! We need that data interrogator working!
Ogren! Duty calls. Too many holes.
Do not disrupt the flow of data again.
Get out of my way!
Data stream ceased. You are certain you installed the data interrogator correctly?
I'm out of ammo! thrown! No more ammo!
Many kinds of old. You're lucky you get me.
I've actually heard about this. The big man's not wrong.
I bring redemption!
Stand your ground!
Another Ranger dead!
Embrace!
Got him! No more Ranger! Many ruins. Been like this for years, no?
Same place. There will be a record somewhere. There is always a record. The trick lies in finding it.
Still part of the Imperium, no, ain't he? Can't leave it in the hands of the heretic scum. Oh, yes, that's a good find.
Medicaid!
Who's in the shadows?
Keep moving. You're looking for Hangar Delta 175.
Crisis 3! Return fire!
The vault was yours! Right! In his holy name! Praise the Emperor's beneficence! Ammunition! Embrace Nagos!
Corner!
With me! This way!
Join me in a hymn, pilgrims!
This way!
My eyes have seen his glory. Anyone?
If you think it'll help.
Blasphemous be gone! Headshot! Yes!
That bolt force is written low!
Boxbuster dealt with.
Kill shot drills in
Red shotgunner! Ammunition! Quickly!
Hangar Delta 175 below you. Look for a way down.
Come on, fight! Enemy spotted!
Ammunition in the very nick of time.
I need ammo now!
A moment! I am reloading! Pass you to her!
Holy work, Templar!
It ain't all vain. Fury's useful, though.
His light will guide us, even into this darkness!
Exploding barrel! Have a care!
through pain, our souls are cleansed.
Great! Mine must be white as a fragging Valhallan winter.
Very loyalist. Listen to me, my
Never know where I stand with that tech priest.
Talks a lot.
So long as she serves the Emperor, I care not for her eccentricities.
Weapons dry!
Look! Grenade!
There is no foe too strong for our faith!
We fight in his holy light!
Sniper!
Cover me while I reload! There is no forgiveness!
Pull it down!
You'll find a release for the exercise vault somewhere close.
Guns empty! Reloading!
Death is a mercy!
Help me up!
Guardian, on your feet!
Your holy zeal inspires me. Beneficent Emperor, this slaughter is my offering to you!
Whatever comes next, you'll do better as a group.
Out of ammo? Just my luck!
Who has need of a grenade? Ammo!
I need ammo! Ammo! Just what I needed! Out of the...
Heads up. That's the pneumatic conveyor. You'll need that later.
Ammo! Quickly!
All right. Crack those chambers and find the contagion samples.
Grenade up!
Come on then!
Got one of the fraggers! Give me some cover!
Get it loaded into the pneumatic conveyor.
Cover me!
Beneficent Emperor, here's you, Templar! on your dying servant!
Keep going! Need to! Get it off me!
Kill that hound! It's time for Templar!
Rise, Templar! There's fighting! You!
Emperor!
Stay strong! Guardian! Aid is coming!
Nearly done!
It's fighting me!
Let it go, priest! They got me!
Here's the bomber!
Guarda magari fa, sai,
Show these
ci
pilgrims
deve andare
that a
ora.
guardian is not so easily defeated.
Thank you, Guardian.
Convert or die!
Exploding Baron!
To the throne with you, bomber! Good work, Ogrin! A hound!
sound close by!
Uff. Questa tana è più lunga. Ia ez daukagu agente berririk. A ver. Sortuko dugu. Vale, tengo dugu omenaldia. Cada día. Vale. Noski. La gorra. Azpigarrena. Profesional. Fede galdu dugu. Sargento, mira, zen. Teniente. Real Space Marine apur bat omenaldia egiten diogu. Prologorik gabe gainera. Ea ze armarekin eta arazten garen kasu honetan.
I am Grendel. It is my honor to serve the God Emperor of mankind, and fight the darkness that contaminates the Imperium. The supreme power of the Holy Inquisition is mine to wield. Who am I?
I'm a warrior.
The hive world of Atoma Prime is a vital stronghold of Imperial power. No matter the darkness, no matter the racking storms of space, Atoma Prime must stand resolute. But a threat has come, the very darkness I am sworn to deny. Who am I?
I'm a warrior.
I have learned that Atoma is cast by the dark stain of truth.
Chaos is the arch-enemy of mankind. It is the damnation of the warp. It is everything I am sworn to oppose. Who am I?
I'm a warrior.
It can only be cast out by the light of the throne and the scourging touch of flames. Who am I?
I'm a warrior.
As an instrument of the Inquisition, and no matter the risk to body and soul, I will purge the hive
from top to bottom, and cut out every scrap of darkness I find. Who am I?
I'm a warrior.
think you have what... Report to the mission terminal for your first assignment.
Hasiko gara iltasunik errazena duen misio batean. Vale.
There's a supply train down in Metal Fab 36. Rannick wants us to go get it. You'll need to get down to the consignment yard, secure it and hold position until reinforcements arrive. The heretics want the train for themselves, so expect heavy resistance.
To play in the Omnissiah's holy design.
Truly, their machines are great, but dost thou not find them a little soulless?
We lose the weapons this place, mate. We start losing wars.
If you can reach the production nexus, you can cut across to the consignment yard from there.
Weapons up! Stay sharp!
I do like work. I can watch it all day.
Taking the shot!
The Reager's heresy ends!
Eye to eye! Weapons up! Hold
Sinners! Wouldst thou lead us to the very pits of damnation? position, and much needed.
Be on your guard, Kindred! Something wicked came through here!
Fight on!
Good! Plant your ear! Send them packing! You can't get shot, me!
Medicate station!
Only one!
Loyalists
It is an honor to serve Monster Michael Besson of the Morning Star, is it not?
Ah, she's tiny by most standards. You should see the really big ones.
Bears the scars well. Let's just hope they don't split and spit us out into the void.
Production nexus is somewhere below you.
Ammo! Just what I needed.
Eliminate your primary target! Beautiful sight!
Grenade! A grenade for you!
Needing cover.
No way back from here!
Let's put that grenade to use!
Your Dexter interrogators can override the security system.
Get some healing! Lovely! A grenade!
Hadron here. Pay attention. Data inbound. Continue. Defend.
Torture cannon!
A righteous blow.
Interrogator not responded. Manual override required.
Get up, you bad bastard!
Reason for labor!
que digo
Beautiful!
It's blasting time!
Data link back online. You are not a complete failure. Well done, I suppose. Iterative phase nearing completion. Reconnect. Retry. Resume.
Grenade out! Lars just there to keep her body down. Always has been. Oi! Priest! Grab some ammo! We've got it coming! For the master of mankind!
You need this ammo, Guardian. Can we use your grenade?
That explicates
It's an ammo.
it. Not one for small talk, is she?
She's not someone I want to cross. Let's put it that way.
And then Quasitas acolytes are not always what they seem.
For the city!
You're almost to the consignment yard. Just a little further.
Sinners! Slay that thing!
Here they come!
Winds of send!
Justice comes! The Holy Militarum sends its best.
They're in cover! Pick your shots!
I'll get around. I'll flush him out.
Sigma Minoris 33 incoming.
I reckon they're scared of us.
House is cleansed! Thou art a vessel of divine fury!
You've got to all get back together before
Steady back down. A grenade! And eaten. Just for the sinners.
Here! Catch this!
We need those Skyfire defenses offline. Make it a priority.
Oso probatu nahi dut. Ea posible.
Enemy resistance in the hive is chewing holes in the warband. We're losing trained veterans. And what do I get to replace them with? Dirtbag raw recruits like you. So here's a chance to impress me. You need to give us your best on every damn mission. You understand? I'll be watching you, Acolyte. What does your best look like?
Yeah? Like you're not already listening in to every Vox channel on the Morning Star already?
Menez. Baina dakit tildea paindegi bat dagoela. Baina ez izorritzen non.
My name's Carl, Oscar Carl. I specialize in new outlooks on life. Don't like your ears, your hair, your nose? I can fix that for a price. Make you the talk of the Morning Star. Your personality, though, there, you're on your own. I'm good. Do come back.
Beno lagunok, hau izan da dena gaurkoagatik. Begiratuko dia norbait dagoen raida egiteko edo jarraitzen dudan streamer bati raida egiten saiatuko naiz. Bueno, rekizat ni esker zuzenekotik pasatzearren eta hurrengoan gehiago, ala ere begiratuko dut badespadaia norbait gehiago dagoen zuzenekoa egiten. Bigarren kafeari ingo dugu raida.
Baina tornoarena barkatu egia da, jendeak imaginazak ez, zeramikan hasi eta bapatean pieza bat hartu, eskuekin ora ikutzen hasi, eta hor hasiko dira forma zirkular horiek, eta, bueno, zeramika askotan pieza karratuekin, txurroak eginez eta horiek elkartuz,